Hey gang, it's Opah. Welcome back to Opah's Workshop. I just wanted to show you a little project that I'm doing currently. It's a walnut table I found in the trash. Had broken legs. I repaired all of them. They're really solid. Where the gold leaf had peeled out of it, or whatever you want to call it, I just filled it back in with gold acrylic paint. Here's the top, which I stripped. Just thought I'd stop back to let you know I was still alive and kicking. This is Opah. Oh, and by the way, when I'm done, I will be sure to put some pictures up on Facebook and another video. For now, this is Opah and Steve saying goodbye.